anza kuchangia pale katika mtandao wa X.
What are you going to be doing for Valentine's?
Now you're up to date on Classic 105.
The big voices on the radio come from tiny cubicles like this, but behind the scenes, a small army is at work. A producer here, a technician there, a DJ there, all working hard to bring news, music, and the topic of the day to you.
Are you single, slightly miserable like myself?
A day in radio production. It's quite an interesting day. First, we must have meetings with the presenters just to go through what is expected of us in that day, in that particular show. So we discuss from the newspaper reviews, stories that they may want to focus on, songs.
A typical day for me in radio starts off by me first going through the program schedule of the day, go through the content that has been shared by the presenters for their show prep, and align with the production team to ensure that anything that they need is availed before the start of the show.
Over the years, different technologies have emerged that have eased processes in radio stations.
Looking from where I started, in a broadcasting house, we call it BH, KBC. It was very different, even from the systems that I used then. The kind of consoles that we used, the softwares that we did use were very different.
It was quite hectic back then. We didn't have like media houses with websites sending stories ilikuwa international media houses alone. So international story ilikuwa ni rahisi sana to get them because utakwenda tu pale utatype you get all the international media houses pale utapata international stories. Right now a lot of things have changed. You can actually be in a newsroom watu wawili. Mnaweza kuwa wawili katika newsroom na mkafanya bulletin ya 1 PM. Ikiwa na voice na kila kitu, you can actually prepare your bulletin in an hour. And you have it.
Over the years, AI has reduced the need to rely on human beings.
AI has revolutionized this entire industry in a huge way, you know, because back then we used to have a producer. There was quite a number of people you need before a product is on air. Right now, you know, you might have your producer like I do right now, but still AI becomes like my digital producer.
Before AI, things were very hands-on and manual. So producers and presenters had to look for information, like scheduling was a bit hard, editing and scripting was also difficult, but AI has evened up the process.
Time is of the essence. And because of the constrained time, I use audio to text or just different tools per se to help with translating the audio to text so that it's easy to transcribe. And then now through that, I can be able to decide what angle will I go with.
While AI ensures you have everything at your fingertips, it can't compete with the human element needed for radio.
Human touch is still important. You know, even my producer would still use AI here and there, even as we work together. So that human touch is still important. I don't think AI, it has replaced human beings, especially for radio. Yeah, because we still have a digital person, we still have a news editor, who's very important, as much as I still have a producer, but AI can also edit some of the things that I need edited very faster. So just inarahisisha vitu haraka, sitangoja sana muda mrefu.
I use AI as my colleague or as my partner in a project, or as my friend in a project. So when I feed it any information, I'm always feeding what I think first. AI is here to help. Don't feel like it's coming to threaten your career. No, it's not. It's how you think about it. Instead of having a 20 people crew for a production, I can cut down that to 5 by using AI tools.
While AI has lightened the workload in radio, it is still a double-edged sword.
The biggest challenge would be when it comes to content that you maybe want to talk about and you have to verify that this is not AI generated, this is AI generated.
Maybe I would say imeleta hiyo worry kwamba some people feel like it's going to take my job because Mwakideu these days doesn't need me so much as a producer. I feel like I can do a lot of things without the producer.
So it's proving a threat because it's providing cheaper means, and also it's kind of giving now us creatives ways to think of, okay, how best then can we find a balance? But right now it's bringing a lot of, I would say, hailstorm.
With all this, it remains that AI for radio will act as a resource more than a competitor.
AI will definitely help us improve on the efficiency of running radio stations in Kenya, but AI won't replace radio. We won't need to have AI presenters, we won't need to have AI producers. We still need the presenters because of that human touch, human connection.
AI is a co-pilot, and that in itself makes work easier for you. it gives you the opportunity to be able to now diversify your creativity and even your scope as a content creator and generator.
So he told you he has a surprise for you.
You are supervised.
Happy World Radio Day.